Sec Dave, kayo ang official storyteller ng administrasyon, whether you like it or not. Ano sa tingin mo ang sasabihin ng kasaysayan once the term ends, no? The president's term ends? Ano sa tingin nyo ang sasabihin ng kasaysayan na hindi po nakokontrol ng kahit anong communication efforts?
Alam mo Lord, hindi sa akin nanggaling itong mga salitang to. Nanggaling salitang ito sa ating Pangulo. Sabi niya, the contemporary may be harsh, but history will be kinder to us. Yung mga sunod-sunod na headwinds na hinarap ng ating Pangulo, and at the same time, hindi niya napabayaan yung kanyang core responsibilities. Sinasabi ko nga, maraming mga political noise, maraming mga headwinds that try to derail us, get us off our track. Pero the President was very successful in keeping our train on track. Single focus yung kanyang agenda. He was not derailed. He addressed those issues, but his singular purpose, he continued with his agenda na paigihin ang kabuhayan ng nakararaming Pilipino. So history will be kinder to the President. I always say that probably the greatest of legacies are forged under the most difficult, most trying of times. And I think ito yung punto sa ating history na masasabi kong the most trying and the most difficult times. No? But history will be kinder to the President, and he may have one of the best legacies to be left behind by any President of the Republic.